for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Artie, we're all here. Artie, hello. I love to eat French fries. Do you like French fries as well, Artie?
Yeah.
It's a pleasure to see everyone.
Oh.
Should we draw some French fries?
Oh, magic wawa.
We can make them magic French fries if you want.
Oh, yay.
Well, go off and get your marker pens then. Let's start.
Artie's work, it comes from the heart. He's gonna draw and make some art.
I get so happy when Artie is about to start.
Are you ready?
Wee.
Okay, let's begin. So let's draw a line at the top, a frown-shaped curve with little hooks on the end. Little hook. There you go. Perfect. Now do a line down to the bottom of the page with a hook on the end of that. There we go. Perfect little hook. The same on the right-hand side. Remember the hook. Now join those two little hooks at the bottom together. Can you see the beginning of our French fry carton, Artie? Let's do some eyes. Let's do a big letter C for the left eye. So draw the letter C, Artie. That's right. And now do a back to front C connected to that. There you go. Now we have two eyes. Let's do some little black circles for pupils. Make sure you fill them in nice and black. He's peeking at us. Now a smiley mouth. And a bottom smile. And let's fill it in with black, but leave some white at the top, because that's going to look like his teeth. Make sure the inside of his mouth is shaded in nice and black. Now, let's do some ears. A back to front C with a smaller back to front C inside, and then a right way round C with a smaller right way round C inside. Now he has ears. We better be careful what we say, Artie. He can hear us. Let's do some hands and some arms. He's giving us the thumb up. Oh no, Artie, I think it's beginning to rain outside. Ugh. Yep, it's definitely raining. You'd like a dance break? Are you sure? Okay, let's go for a dance break then.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Daddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain,
mind is just stupendous. Stupendous. 10. Go. Oh. 10. I think the rain has stopped, Artie. Great job. Your dance break made it go away. You know, the one thing missing from this drawing of French fries is the French fries. Let's get drawing some fries. We're going to draw lots of bendy lines, and at the top, join them together with diamond shapes. We have to draw lots of fries, because who wants a carton with just a few fries in it? Not me either, Artie. We want lots of fries in our carton. Is this making you hungry for fries, Artie?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is me too. I want some fries. Keep drawing lines up from the box, slightly curved, and then at the top of the lines connect them together with little diamond shapes. You have to be patient. We have a lot of fries to draw.
Wow, this is amazing!
It is pretty amazing, Mikey. You have that whole left-hand side to fill in with fries, Artie. I'm trying to figure out how many fries you've drawn so far. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think you've drawn 7 French fries so far. Do you think we can eat these fries when you've finished, Artie? Yeah, I suppose they're just cartoon fries. Wouldn't it be great if you could draw food and then eat it? That would be great. Nearly done.
Wow.
You're finished.
Well,
Let's colour those fries in a nice golden yellow colour. Artie's finished. You did great, Artie. You made the French fries look so real and tasty. And I love the little ears on the carton. That's funny.
Goodbye, Artie!
Hey kids, have a great day!
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.